Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel Shandeep Sharma. Today I have to take one short video for your knock knee and your hips. Okay, first introduction, let's start now. The first exercise, your feet will open and your feet out, hands on your waist, then start. Inhale and down, exhale and up, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, this exercise you have to do 10 to 15 times. Okay, next you have to rotate your right legs. The first right, okay, move 1, slow, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 5, opposite side, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now third exercise, open your legs, okay, hands on your waist, okay, turn the feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I do 5 times each side, 5 times left side. Okay, so you have to do 10 times right, 10 times left. Next one, hands on the floor, look forward, back stretch. Okay, stretch the lower back. 1, your knee out, 2, 3, legs should be straight, up, down, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if you cannot go down, you have to hold here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10 times each side. Okay, next you sit down on the floor and start the butterfly here. Okay, then move. Try to push down as you can. Okay, next open your legs, hands inside. Inhale the center, exhale the right side down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Okay, 10 times each side. Okay, next exercise, bend your left knee and take the right feet, up your feet, high thigh, so both hands move. Okay, next, change the legs, move. Okay, this exercise, this 4 to 5 exercise, this may be more, so I don't count. So you have to practice one day 3 times. You repeat that whole exercise. Okay, first instruction, when you going to do yoga, you're going to running, you're going to do gym and some other sports game. Okay, you have to practice before. You have to warm up your body, warm up your leg, warm up your hips, warm up your spine, shoulder, hands. It's easy for you. Okay, if you don't do like this, you will be problem, you will be have problem. So okay, so you have to done this exercise per day 3 times. Okay, if you new on my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new video. Okay, like, share. Okay, thank you so much. See you again for next video. धन्यवाद.